Hey everyone, so today I'm gonna do a reveal of our June monthly subscriptions. As always, I'll show you the sticker kit first, and then I'll give you a heads up before I show you the stationery kit, because that kit is what has our surprise items in it, and some people like to be surprised. I shipped out the subs yesterday, Monday. Today that I'm filming is Tuesday. So I think most people will get it tomorrow, Wednesday, or maybe Thursday. So like I said, if you want to be surprised, then I'll warn you when to click out, and then make sure you come back, because I do want to talk about a couple of the items in the stationery sub. So this is the sticker sub that went out for June, but it is August themed. And so this is the full kit. We also offer a mini kit, which I'll show you after. So first of all, you get an add-on sheet. This is typically photo boxes themed for the month. So the theme for August, I called it The Office, but it's really kind of like office supplies, planner girl, back to school, those kind of things. I didn't want to do very blatantly back to school, because some people are not going back to school or don't have kids in school. So I kind of made it more general. So the photo boxes are kind of themed that way, where you have a desk, coffee with books, a planner here. I always try to include a picture of a planner somewhere. And then I love this picture of a library and these lights hanging there. And then at the bottom is just a sticker strip that says live and learn. So I thought that was perfect for the kind of back to school office type of vibe. So that's the add-on sheet. And then this is sheet A. You get your August hand lettering, a sticker, and then a bunch of little deco stickers here having to do with office, planning, and all of that. And then you have your circle icons here, some headers here. This is like a grayish pink background. You have two thin strips of washi here. So the strips are like that thin, and there's two of them there. And then you have two of a standard type width of washi here, like that. So there's two of those there. So that's sheet A. This is sheet B with your 8 full boxes. So again, taking some of those deco elements and making them bigger into full boxes. I really love this whole vibe here. And then you get a thin strip of washi here at the bottom. So that's sheet B. Sheet C are your quarter boxes, half boxes, trackers, and checklists. So the background on this column are little page flags and stapler and a little planner pouch. It's really cute. So that's in the background. And then you have little deco in these boxes there. So that's sheet C. And then sheet D are your two-tone labels, narrow ones, a little bit wider, some headers, some more circle icons, and then another thin washi here at the bottom. So that is the full sticker kit sub. If you get the mini sticker kit sub, you get the same add-on sheet, you get the same sheet A, and then you just get one more sheet, which is sheet E, which has 4 full boxes, some flags, quarter boxes, and half boxes. So that's the mini sticker kit. So now I'm going to show you the stationery kit. So if you want to be surprised, click out now. Make sure to come back, because like I said, there are some things I wanted to explain why I chose it and how I designed it. Okay, so as always, I always send out a calendar card. I just love these cards so much. I feel like they're so useful for a quick reference of the month. You can stick it anywhere in your planner or even just on your desk. On one side is Monday through Sunday. On the other side is Sunday through Saturday, with some lines down at the bottom if you want to take any notes or anything like that. A lot of times I use little transparent dots to mark important dates. So you get this card, and then you get a secondary card. The past, I don't know how many months, maybe 5 months or so, I've been doing a photo card, which I'm still probably going to do a photo card as the order freebie in the main shop. But for the sub, I decided to go back and try some more quote cards. These were really popular before, and I haven't done them in a while, and I feel like I wanted to bring them back just to give us a little bit of inspiration in our planners or on our desks. So this one is close to my heart right now. I got this quote when I read this book by Glennon Doyle called Untamed. And the quote is, "The deepest truth is not what we can see, but what we can imagine." And I just really love this quote because I feel like the way I've always felt about like my life and what I wanted to do with my life is the things that I dreamed of, the things I imagined I could be, the things I imagined I could do was always so much stronger than reality. So this is just like a nice reminder that any other dreams I can imagine are still possible. And then you'll also always get 2 sheets of vellum. This one might look familiar. You get a more close-up look at that pattern that I was talking about on the sticker sheet. This is what it looks like bigger. So I thought this was really cute to turn into a vellum and layer into our planners. And then this one is glasses. I thought these would look super cute on our planners. Goes well with the back to school slash office slash planner girl type vibe. So you get 2 of those. And then the last 2 things I want to show you is what I really wanted to talk to you about. So the first mystery item are these pocket cards to put in the pockets of our planners. So there are 6 of them. This one is a redesigned version of our If Found card. I made the script a little bit smaller and I pushed it to the left to be consistent with all the other cards. And then it just says, please return to, and then a place for your name, phone number, and email. It's blank on the back. So that's one card. And then the other card is an emergency contacts card. It says, please contact, and then you can put your emergency contact name and phone number here, as well as any medical info here that if, you know, you weren't able to talk or whatever, and they pulled out this card, they can see, oh, you're, you know, a diabetic or whatever the case may be. They can see that information there. So the next card is for contacts. It's double-sided, so you have lots of spots for names and phone numbers. And the purpose of this card, I had a card that I kind of made on my own, like on my computer, where I would put important names and phone numbers on a card to keep in my planner. And the purpose of that is because I thought that if there was ever an emergency and let's say my phone died, I don't know about you guys, but I don't memorize anybody's numbers besides my husband's and my kids. I don't have anyone else's numbers memorized. And what if I needed to reach some people in case of an emergency? I thought that some of you might find this helpful as well, so I made it into a card that you can just put into your planner pocket. And then I have a morning routine card and an evening routine card and just some spots where you can put a couple of things that you do for your morning routine and for your evening routine. And then lastly, this has to be my favorite card. So, you know, not all of us have a need for a business card. But there are times where, let's say, if you have kids and you meet another parent and you want to get them together for a play date or whatever, and you want to exchange information, I thought having a card like this handy where you could put your name, your phone number, and email would be useful to give to whoever you meet. And then this gray area down here can be where you write other information. So let's say if I meet one of my daughter's, you know, new friends, I meet her mom and we want to exchange information, then I could put my info here, and then down here I can put Chloe's mom. Or I thought, like, if you're out and about and somehow like at a party, and this happens to me often, like at a party, someone asks me what I do. I say that, you know, I sell stationery online and they want to check out my shop or my website. I can put my info here. I could put my website here. I could put my Instagram username here. So this little gray area is just great to put any extra information besides your contact info there. I hope you guys like these cards as much as I do. I wanted to show you that I already have them in my planner. The ones I keep in my front pockets are If Found, emergency, and the hello contact card. And right here, this is just a temporary spot because I don't want to put my contacts right in front. I'll probably find a space back here, but here is my contacts card. For the morning routine and evening routine, I personally don't need those cards because I have it on my daily routines insert. So I don't need those 2 cards, but the other 4 cards I definitely will get a lot of use out of. And then the second mystery item and the last item in the stationery kit is this notepad. So for some reason I'm blanking out on the dimensions, but I'll put it somewhere up on the screen when I edit this video. But it is a more narrow notepad and it does have less sheets in it. It has 25 sheets for a particular purpose. So the reason why it's more narrow and thinner is because I designed these notepads to go in the back of my planner, just like this. So I didn't want to make the notepads too thick because then it would bulk up our planners. And I also wanted to make them narrow enough so it would fit nicely in this pocket, in like an A5 size pocket, maybe even an A6. I didn't test that out, but I know it's probably too long for the pocket size planners. But what I thought is if you use this as a regular notepad and tear it off, I know for sure the width will fit the width of a pocket size planner. So that way you don't have to be trimming too much, maybe a little bit off the bottom or even folding it up a little bit. And I just really love this. I've already used this notepad so much, just writing down like miscellaneous notes, miscellaneous lists. I just find it so cute and so useful. So this is all that came in our various monthly subscriptions. I really love how everything turned out, how it looks so great together, the colors, the vibe, the theme, and all of that. I hope you guys love it too. Right now, subs are closed. Sub Love is going to open on Friday, July 1st. Sub Love is a page on our website where current monthly kit subscribers get first dibs on these items at a discounted price before it comes to the main shop. So any extras that are left after Sub Love will be listed in the main shop on Friday, July 8th. July spots will open on July 1st as well, which is this Friday. I'll put all of this information and the dates down in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.